world of YouTube, true crime, a tale for sight, and everything else. We're recording here. Doing a little YouTube short. Hashtag short. Digging through my father's chest, leather chest. Whoops. I was, going through and I found this and I thought it was some of his leather tooling. Then I went out and pulled this out, and lo and behold, we have here in a little bird-call mechanism, which you have here handmade. You can see, you got a piece of wood, you got this metal thing, you got a screw to hold it so you can do your little, I think it came with this. But if anything, I'm sure my father could have mechanism something for himself, but I think this came with it. And all you do is take this little piece and that piece and go back and forth, opposite directions. And lo and behold, and here's a little squeaking. Get yourself a little bird caller. And damn it, and it says you need a lot of practice. Mind you, I just started doing this not even 5 minutes ago. Get your fingers numb, but I'm gonna take this and see what I can do, folks. Yeah, my fingers are getting numb. I'm getting paint on my finger from the damn wood, but phone shut off. Stupid phone. What if you hear a little squeaking? Practice makes perfect. Damn it. Well, I'm gonna get that. Try it. The next video. I'm not gonna be out.